Hello. So in today's class, we will demonstrate how to create tables using swings. Okay. So the class used here is called as JTable. Now we will directly give a demonstration of how to create this. So let's write the import statement: import javax dot swing dot start. Okay. So then the file name what we have given for this Java program is called as table example. So default class is created for that. So inside that, okay. So let me create a variable for first creating the container, that is JFrame, and let me give the object name as F. Okay. Now we will use the constructor based method to create the component. So the constructor name will be same as that of the class name. So it is table example. Okay, just open that. Okay, so now we will define the frame over here. So object f is equal to new. Okay, j frame. So you can give a name to this frame as table example. Okay, so you close this. Then here we have to remember whenever we are creating a table, okay, inside table there will be two important things. So one is a column and second is a rows. So here we have to specify the row values and column values. So first now let me specify the row values. So imagine it to be a string type of data. Okay, and now let's assign some values. So here let me assign three values, that is USN of a student, name of a student, and the semester of that particular student. Okay, so let's create that first. All the string types. So USN of the student 4SF 18IS006. Okay. So let's give the name as Ankit and semester as 4. Okay. So let me close this. Now come to the second one. So there the first is USN, so 4SF 18IS. Let's say 064, comma. Let's keep the name as Manisha. Okay. Then semester is again 4. Okay, close it. Put a comma over here. Okay. Let me give three entries. So third entry, let me make 4SF 18IS. Sorry, so let's make it 17IS. Then we can change the semester 17IS 053. Let's give. Okay. Let's give the name as there. Semester as 6. So we have closed this one also. Fine. So once this is closed, we have to put a semicolon. Okay, so that's why it was showing an error there. So this is the row values. Now we have to similarly create the column name. So let's give the column name as a string column itself. Okay, so it's a string. Here there will be only uh, one dimensional string. So we have to give the column name. So first one is USN over there. Okay, then second one is the name field, and third is a semester field. Okay, so values to the array is done. Close this. So now we have defined the rows and column value which are supposed to be for the table. Okay, so now let's use the class of creation of a table. So it is JTable. Okay, so that gives the object name as JT is equal to new. Okay, J table, and let me pass two arguments to this. So here what will be the two arguments? So we are giving the data and the column. Okay, so column name and row values should be given there, so you have to specify that. Okay, and then let's specify the boundaries for this table. So jt dot, okay, set bounds. Okay, so we can give the values 30, 40, this is the y value, then 300, 350. So this will be the width and height. Okay. Now what let's do is we will create a scroll pane over here, using which we will put this table. So what we can do is J scroll pane. Okay, so this is a class to create a scroll pane is equal to new J scroll pane. Now what we do is the table which I created, I fit in this scroll pane. So let me pass this argument over here. Okay. Now what we do is this scroll pane, we will add it to the container. So container is f. So f dot add. What do we have to add? The scroll pane. So in which variable scroll pane is it? The object name is sp. So sp is added to this one. Okay. So in this way we create the table, then give the boundary values to that, use a scroll pane, and inside the scroll pane we are adding the table, and that scroll pane we will add it to the frame. Okay, so next we will have to set the size of the frame. So set size, you can give it as 300 comma 400. Okay, this will end over here. Next we have to make the frame visible. So set visible, pass the argument as true, and close it. So is a smelling name. Column. So that is the program, and now we have to write the main here. So let's write the main function now. Public static void main. So string args. Okay, so open and close bracket. So what we have to do over here is new okay, so the same file name, so it's a table example. Close the main function class over here. So this is the program. So if you see over here what we are supposed to do, first we are supposed to give the row and column values. Okay, then create a table using the JTable class, then specify the boundaries for that, and only difference here is that the table here we are putting it in a scroll pane. Then we will pass the argument JT, that is a table object. Then the scroll pane will be added into the container, that is the JFrame F object. Okay. Then the remaining things are the same one. So let me now run this file. Okay. So you can see here the table with the values are created. So you are having column name, okay, USN name and semester, and the values what you have specified. So you can even these are editable. So something you can write string. Okay. So this is an example of creating a simple table using the J table and usage of J scroll pane. So you can see that it's the enlarged version. Okay.